Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Cancers, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Cancers. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Cancers, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first, Cancers. We have Five of Swords, Six of Cups, and Wheel of Fortune. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are facing a lot of difficulties. Maybe you need to make a lot of efforts. You are working really hard, trying to do your best today, Cancers. So something needs your attention and you are focused on that. You want to make things right for yourself. So it may be something in your work, you are concentrating on your work, on your job, trying to see good results for yourself, trying to, achieve something, and you are making a lot of efforts, and there may be a lot of competition you have today in your career. People may be competing with you, your co-workers or your colleagues, or it may be competitive businesses. So you have a lot you need to do, and today destiny is helping you. Destiny is influencing you in the right way today. Maybe you may feel a little stressed or sad. Maybe you expect something right away, but things are coming to you. Uh, but you need to be more patient. It may be your situation, even in this relationship. So you are in a situation with this person, you are building on a beautiful relationship with them. You want a beautiful, positive connection with this person. Maybe you are having a good communication with each other. You know about each other, you talk to each other, and you understand each other very well, or you're trying to understand each other very well. Maybe this person wants to tell you everything, maybe about their past, whatever has happened, or what was the reason for certain relationship having failed in their life. So they are revealing some kind of a past situation to you, and things are gaining momentum between you both. So in this relationship, you have a beautiful understanding building, that you are building a strong connection with this person, and maybe this may be your destined connection or your karmic connection. So something has brought you both together, and you have such a deep bond, a beautiful bond, and a friendly relationship flowering today between you both, Cancers. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It is Fool in reverse. So with this card in your connection, maybe this may be what you feel or what they feel about you. Maybe you're taking things too lightly, or this may be their energy. They are taking things too lightly. Or maybe you're not serious like this person, and they want you to be really serious. So they want to, think seriously and decide something positively, because they love you and they want you to make a quick decision today, guys. So if you love this person, you need to go for proposal or marriage or engagement. That is what they are waiting for. So that is the energy with this card, Cancers. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. And it is Four of Swords. So in your work, maybe you are making some important decisions and you're thinking about something important today. So you're waiting to make the right choice and you are in deep thought. And it is good to have clarity before you decide on something, Cancers. So that is the energy here with these cards, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have mending. So in your circumstances today, maybe it is time for you to heal yourself. Maybe you have been through a difficult circumstance or you're going through a difficult heartbreak, and grief strips away our mask and loosens us, and sometimes we are so vulnerable, and it allows to see that we are part of a larger scheme called life, and we are part of that universe that is here, um, taking part in our pain and suffering, and none of us are immune to pain and suffering. So this sadness and sorrow, it breaks our heart open, and we will feel more sympathetic, empathetic, and we depend on others when we are really vulnerable, having a lot of pain, a lot of difficulty to deal with our situation, guys. So that is the energy here. So even that pain, it has a learning that comes to us that changes us in so many ways, and it changes us to something better. And maybe today we can change our circumstance, all this pain we are going through. Maybe we are with this person, or maybe we are separate, whatever the situation may be. Both of us are being affected, being hurt, and we feel that impact of this pain and sadness. So, this energy needs to be healed, and you need to overcome this. What to do? It is time for you to forgive or to release all that hurt, all that negative feelings you have, and make amends to set yourself free first. So it is not uh, to change some circumstance. It is we are helping ourselves first when we give up all these toxic feelings of pain and hurt, regret or sadness, resentments, arguments, whatever it may be. When we go through it again and again in our heart of hearts, in our memory, we are increasing the burdens we have, and we will feel more negative, more sad, and more heavy hearted. So, if you want to change all that, you need to go for forgiveness, and you need a honest redress. That is what this card is about. So, if you feel that someone has wronged you, you can forgive them. Or if you feel that you have wronged someone, you can ask sorry, make amends, and move forward with your life. So, that is the energy with this card. for those who chose this card. That is the reading for y'all guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. It is Labradorite. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you must, give up all that fear you have in this relationship and be open, remain open to something unknown, something magical to happen in this connection, because conscious universe is here to help you and guide you in this relationship, and it is creating this magical magical connection with this person. So that loving partnership that you are dreaming about, this is the time for that. So your relationship has a great potential. You may not understand it, but this is an opportunity for you to experience that magic in this relationship. Or it is an important opportunity that will prepare you for something magical coming in your life, coming in your love life that you deserve. And you need to give up that need for certainty, need for things to go in the way you expect them to go. So when we are open to some changes, open to something unexpected, we will see guidance coming in our life, guidance helping in our relationship, and when we leave room for magic, something beautiful is waiting to unfold today that will point you towards the right direction, point you towards the right actions, and will make this relationship a loving one, a deserving one, something you deserve the most. So you need to let that conscious universe or God or that higher spirit help you to co-create it today. So when you give up all that expectations in this connection, that is what is going to happen today, guys. And this crystal spirit, it helps us to see things that we do not see normally. Maybe it just means that we must see things with our heart, not with our mind. When we do that, we will see a beautiful world, a beautiful circumstance today. And that is the energy with this crystal spirit card for y'all guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.